fucking with the ghost.
Welcome everybody to Dre of All Trades channel, where I am your host Dre. Merry Christmas ahead of time to those who see this before Christmas, and Happy New Year's. First off, I'd like to say thank you for the 100 plus subscribers. Last time I checked 130, so I'm just amazed at what I'm at right now. And I just greatly appreciate you guys and the support you've given me from the likes and the comments and everything. It all helps out. So without further ado, I'm gonna help you guys make some more money. So this is a pretty simple process. I usually buy Crow or VVS right now, since VVS is super popular and it's going up. Well, it's not popular, but it's popular to me because it's making a lot of money right now. So what I am gonna go over here and do is search for VVS. I'm gonna buy me about that much. So now I'm buying this on the Crypto DeFi wallet. It's just transferring from crypto.com, my crypto.com account, to the Crypto DeFi wallet account. So while we wait, as you can see, I have already 16 million TONIC. I bought a little bit, I'd say like 4 or 5 in the morning, I think. It's only, I think I spent like 60 bucks or so. Nothing too much, and it's down a little bit. So we'll see what it does in the long term. And again, this is the first day it's out, so I'm not expecting anything really. I'm just in here at the very get-go. So I guess while we wait, I'll show you guys the glitter mine and the Chronos and what they're doing with all this. Let's see, let's start with the farms. So these farms, you can use these farms and get 394% APR, crazy amounts, like 258%. Like, the amounts are crazy right now, and VVS has only been out for a little over a month, I believe. So both VVS and TONIC are new cryptos, basically, and I think they're definitely going to be worth something on the long run. Over here you have the mines. I think the mines are the best thing to do. I will show you guys how to do the mines once the crypto has transferred and everything. But the mines I definitely say the best. 346% APR, 527% APY. Like, where can you get better numbers than that? Okay, it's here. $53 in VVS. So go down here to the APR. So first thing you're gonna do is get some TONIC. Gonna trade now, or you can push the trade button at the very bottom. So it's called Blink Swap. So it starts off with Crow, but I want to use VVS. Go over there, use VVS. And then I want TONIC. Let's do 50%. It says insufficient, but you just gotta give it a second. Super cheap network fees through Chronos. The network fee is Crow, so you will need to have some Crow in your DeFi wallet. Okay, boom, finish that transaction. Now that that transaction is complete, gonna come over here to the auto VVS. This one's the 527%. Like I said, this one's offering the most. It's offering more than the manual one, so I suggest doing the auto one. I'm gonna come over here and stake. I'm gonna stake it all in here because I do have a lot already in the TONIC. $1.9 Crow. And there you have it. Funds have been staked. So this is the bounty. I wouldn't worry about doing the bounty. The cost for the network fee to do the bounty and how much you actually get from it Not really worth it. See, look, you get 8 cents for 1.5 crow. And 1 crow alone is like 10 times the amount. So not worth doing it. But yeah, I'm come back over here, show you guys. I have some more tonic. Boom, there it goes. 24 million now. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. It helps me make more videos for you guys and bringing out better content in the future and better videos. If you guys have any questions or concerns, always put them in the comments. I do try to get back to you guys as quickly as I can. Again, thank you guys. I appreciate all the support. Peace.